Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create orders or manually create orders here at WooCommerce. So let's say one of your customers can't really create an order then because he's in a car or something and he wants to order something really bad and you have to do it for him. So how you can do it? We have to go to orders. We are at my shop. And we want to go to orders. At the moment, at this special or this free WooCommerce account, we don't have much of orders. And we want to start with add an order. It's top left corner. And date created. We are going to go from top to the bottom. We can't really have to upgrade for this version. So status will be pending payment or maybe processing, it's up to you. Time when it was created, it's 9:26. Okay. Guess will be Matt King, for example. But at the moment we don't have that name in our list of customers. Billing address and shipping address. We can add them straight away in here. Order action, email invoice, order details to customer, shipment tracking. You can add manually a tracking number from DHL or DPD. It's completely up to you. Those are the biggest delivery providers here in Slovakia. Order notes, and also there are the items where we need to add product, add fee, add shipping, add tax or cancel, add product. We can go with our sandals, add a sandal. Okay. Recalculate. Okay, it's still 50. We can add 8 items and we can add a shipping. This shipping we can go with for example $15. Save. So together it's 65. Yeah, we are missing an icon for shipping, but that's whatever. You can apply a coupon. I believe it was get 10 off. And we are getting rid of the $5. You are always getting the coupons out of the items that you are selling. You can't get 5% off of shipping. So keep that in mind. Then downloadable product permission, and add a new custom field and value. Once you've done with this one, you just complete an order and you are good to go. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.